Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. I'm going to make a very short video today and tell you why, in my opinion, you should definitely consider buying the Invicta Pro Diver watch with the automatic movement over the Quartz movement. So the 89260B with the automatic movement. This is the 40mm case. Now, if you're new to the channel, guys, and enjoy watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description below. If you are interested in purchasing this watch, guys, make sure to check out the link in the description below, because you can find it on Amazon for around $75 at the moment of this recording. So guys, I will have a full unboxing video and a review about this watch coming very soon on the channel. So if you are interested, make sure to check it out as well. I'm also going to ask you whether you have an Invicta Pro Diver watch, if you like it or not, if you ordered the Quartz version or not, if you prefer this one to that one or the other way around. Now, in my opinion, there are two main reasons why you want to buy the automatic over the Quartz. First of all, you pay a very small difference for the upgrade in the movement. So this one has the Seiko NH35A automatic with the manual wind and the hacking. This movement alone is about $30 to $40 online compared to the basic Quartz movement, which is around $5 to $8. So you actually pay, let's say, only $10, $15 extra, and you get $30 extra in the watch movement. And also, something that some of you might not know is that on the Quartz version you have a pull and push crown. So you simply pull the crown, set the time, and then push it back in, although you have the 200 meters water resistance. But on this one, so on the automatic, you have a screw down back and you also have the screw down crown, which I would say is a big plus, because if your gasket wears off, this will actually offer you better protection. And also, if you forgot to push it all the way back in, that will actually give you the possibility to damage the watch and water will get inside your watch. So this way you will be more protected when it comes to the water resistance for your watch. Now, once again, guys, let me know in the comments below if you own an Invicta watch, what are your thoughts on the Invicta watches, and also, would you rather buy the automatic or the Quartz version? And also, if you bought the Quartz version, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy this type of videos, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.